Hi, I'm Gemma and this is Tim, and today we're heading into Ambleside in the beautiful Lake District for a walk. The drive into the lakes is always pretty, especially during the autumn when the leaves have turned, and the first view of the lake always makes me smile. We managed to find some free parking on the outskirts of Ambleside, where we start our walk. The first part of the walk takes you through Ambleside Park, where you get great views of the surrounding fells. Then it's a steep start, but it only takes about 40 minutes to the top. The views you are rewarded with are magnificent. At 224 metres, Todd Crag is a hill and a satellite peak of Holme Fell. The crag stands at the very top of Lake Windermere, which is about 10 miles long and is the largest natural lake in England.
So, Fairfield Horseshoe right in front of us.
Okay.
Over here, you got Holme right there.
That's Holme Fell.
That's right, Holme Fell.
There's a beautiful lake. And we'll have the Langdale. Can you see the Langdales?
Yeah, Langdales.
There's Coniston Old Man.
Right there.
Coniston Old Man's right there. Langdales
this is
there.
Holme Fell, and then there's the Langdales over there.
No, this is Holme.
Yeah, Holme, sorry. Our fearless tour guide, leading the way as always to the wilds.
We extended the walk towards Holme Fell and then came back down through a small wood before heading back into Ambleside along the River Rovey. Thank you for watching, and please like and comment if you've been here.